Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of the OnePlus Pad. Now the OnePlus Pad comes with a Dimensity 9000 processor with Mali G710 MC10 GPU. It comes with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Purely in terms of performance, it can be compared with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is the last year flagship processor, so considering the price, it offers great performance. In the display department, it comes with 11.61-inch LCD display with 2K resolution with 144Hz screen refresh rate, which varies depending upon some of the games. In the battery department, it comes with a 9510 mAh battery and it also comes with a 100-watt SuperVOOC charger, but it only supports 67-watt SuperVOOC charging. Now here's my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. There is an AC running in the room at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. Now let's check the temperature of the tablet. On the front it's about 32 degrees and on the back it is 32 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play BGMI. That's the other name for PUBG. Now once the game has started, you can swipe from the edge to access Game Assistant for extra options. Let's look at graphics. We have Ultra HD with Ultra frame rate and these are the highest graphics settings available, so I'll be playing in that. Now let's start playing.
First point for the red team!
Enemy down! Reloading! Nice shot!
Killing spree for the red team! Killing spree for the red team!
As you can see, visuals are all looking pretty good, details are nice, control is also pretty smooth and there was very minimal to no lag. It's been 16 minutes since I've started playing the game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it's fluctuating from 33 to 36 degrees and on the back I've seen a maximum of 37 degrees. Tablet doesn't feel that hot, it just feels slightly warm. By the way, I forgot to mention the battery earlier. Before starting the game it was 84%. And now, after playing the game, it's about 81%. So for approximately 16 or 15 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed about 3% of battery, which is pretty good. Now for the heat test, I'll be taking pictures continuously using both the front and rear cameras and then check the temperature. There is still an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is 27 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, now let's check the temperature. On the front, it's about 42 to 43 degrees and on the back, it's about 40 degrees. Now the tablet feels slightly hot, especially near the camera area. Now I'll use the tablet for a minute to see if there is any kind of throttling. By the way, in these 3 minutes, I've taken about 289 photos, which is a pretty good number. Based on my usage, I couldn't find any kind of lag or throttling. So everything is pretty good. So guys, there you have it. Even for games like PUBG, Call of Duty, this tablet definitely stands out. It offers great performance. There are no heating issues and no lag whatsoever. So for people who are interested in playing a lot of games, I would definitely recommend this tablet. And for people who are not really into gaming, you can definitely go the Xiaomi Pad 6, which is much cheaper and offers similar stuff. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.